At Forney Industries, we want to remind you that safety is the most important thing to remember when welding, plasma cutting, grinding, or cutting. When working with metal, it's crucial to remember to protect yourself from harmful arcs and sparks. For welding, you need FR clothing. FR stands for flame resistant. This includes 100% cotton or denim, a welding jacket or long sleeve shirt, denim jeans, and boots or leather shoes. If you have long hair, tie it back and keep it away from your workpiece. Make sure your skin is completely covered and protected from arc flash. Arc flash is the light and heat produced from an electric arc and can cause substantial damage to your skin and eyes. A welding helmet is critical to protect your eyes and face from arc flash. You will also need safety glasses to wear under your welding helmet for added protection. Metal sparks have a tricky way of getting into your helmet. The metal you're welding is over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and welding gloves are not designed to handle such hot metal. Welding gloves are made of leather, are flame resistant, and are meant to protect you from arc flash and sparks. For plasma cutting, FR clothing is recommended. You will also need safety glasses and a shade 5 face shield for eye protection. Leather gloves are also needed to protect your hands. Remember, don't place your hand in front of the torch when arcing. When cutting and grinding, FR clothing is recommended. Wear safety glasses and a face shield to protect from flying sparks. Remember, wear your gloves to protect your hands. Don't wear loose clothing that can get caught in the grinder. Make sure you have proper hand placement when in use. Always double check your rated RPM on your wheel and the machine it's being used with. Some of the equipment mentioned can be extremely loud, so don't forget your hearing protection to cover your ears. Taking the proper steps to protect yourself from arc flash and sparks will ensure a better user experience. To learn more about our personal protective equipment, visit forneyind.com. Have questions? Get answers at askforney.com.